Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech with Jihin. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install CX File Explorer on MetaQuest 2 or MetaQuest 3. In this tutorial, we will download the CX File Explorer APK using a phone, then connect both the MetaQuest headset and the phone to the PC and install the app directly from the folder on the phone without moving the file to the computer. So make sure you watch until the end because if you miss one step, the installation might not work. And if this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Tech with Jihin for more MetaQuest tutorials. Alright, let's start. First, take your phone and open your browser. Search for CX File Explorer app, then download the APK file. Just a quick reminder, do not install it on your phone. Only download the app can keep it saved. Now go to your PC or laptop. Open your browser and download SideQuest from the official SideQuest website. After the download is finished, install SideQuest and open it. Then create a SideQuest account. You can sign up using Google, email, GitHub, or Discord. I personally recommend using Google because it's faster. Once SideQuest is open, look at the top left corner. You will see a red dot and the text saying not connected. Now it's time to connect everything. First, connect your MetaQuest headset to your PC using a USB Type-C cable. Then connect your phone to the PC as well using another USB cable. So your PC should now be connected to both devices at the same time, your MetaQuest headset and your phone where the app file is stored. After that, put on your MetaQuest headset. You should see a pop-up message asking for permission. Tap Allow so SideQuest can detect your headset. If you don't see the pop-up, try unplugging and reconnecting the cable and make sure your headset is unlocked. Once the connection is successful, the red dot inside SideQuest will turn green and you will see your Quest headset model name. Now go back to SideQuest again. On the top right corner, you will see several icons. Click the one that says Install APK file from folder on computer. A file browser will open. From there, instead of selecting the APK from your PC folder, just navigate into your phone storage, open the folder where the APK is saved, and select the CX File Explorer app file directly from your phone. Then click Open, and that's it. CX File Explorer will automatically install on your MetaQuest 2 or Quest 3. Now, if you're wondering where the app is after installing, here's the important part. On your MetaQuest headset, open your app library. Then change the filter from all to unknown sources. Inside unknown sources, you will find CX File Explorer installed there. You can open it anytime, and now you'll have a file manager on your Quest, which makes it much easier to manage files, APKs, and folders. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech with Jihin.